Hi, I'm Robert Fleisig. I'm a professor in the W. Booth School of Engineering Practice and Technology at the Faculty of Engineering. I'm also the program lead for the Master of Engineering Design program. Our program, the Master of Engineering Design in Product Design, is a 16-month full-time program, which can be accelerated to 12 months, or a 40-month part-time program for domestic students only. Part of the full-time program also has an option of doing a co-op after the first 8-month classes. All our project work involves industry-connected or community-partnered design project, working in teams of 2 or 3 students with both a faculty member or more than one, sometimes supervisor, as well as a community partner and access to their end users and other stakeholders. To describe the program and what you're trying to learn can be best encapsulated by this rather famous quote from Dennis Lasdun. Dennis Lasdun was a British architect, and he said, "The designer's job is to give users and stakeholders not what they want, but what they never dreamed they wanted, and when they get it, they recognize it as something they wanted all along." This, to me, encapsulates the very core of our program. It is really imagining what that future design solution experience could be for our community partners and giving them something that they had themselves never imagined. But what they get is something that they really does meet the needs that they're looking for. So how do we accomplish that? Well, core to our program is the notion of design thinking. So design thinking, in my mind, is the ability to understand the needs of users and stakeholders better than they understand them themselves, so that you can then use that knowledge, that insight, and translate it into solutions that really make sense of them and that the end users will love. In our program, what we believe that great solutions, great designs, great technology begins with that deep understanding of human needs. It's co-designed with the stakeholders, so you work not just at the beginning of the project to get a problem, but throughout the project. And that the reimagined project, that new design, comes from understanding and coming up with a better human experience for the stakeholders that are part of the project. So what are the kinds of projects we do? Well, we do projects in a number of technological areas, including cyber-physical systems, which covers a wide range of technologies, including IoT, Internet of Things, digital reality technologies, augmented reality, as well as virtual reality, AI, machine learning, and mechanical and physical type products and systems. And these kinds of technologies are being widely now used in healthcare, in high-tech industries, in cities and infrastructure, and in manufacturing contexts. So each project and each student is expected to complete a project that is 8 months long, like I said before, done in teams of 2 or 3, working in tandem with faculty and industry, supported not only by their expertise, but also with their deep understanding of the people and contexts the design is intended to serve. In order to apply it for the program, we're looking for individuals with an undergraduate degree in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. That does include degrees in industrial design and architecture as well, and at least a B- average in the last 10 technical courses of their undergraduate degree. So all this sort of learning and this interaction with community, working on complex problems, sends our students to all kinds of jobs. And this is just a short list of the kinds of work that our students have ended up doing as a result of the program. UX or user experience researcher, mechanical designer, consultant, product manager, and software developer. And we also have, I can think of another one yet, is a research coordinator for a local hospital. So we're looking for applicants who want to be challenged with work on wicked problems, want to be able to exercise their creative competencies, and are excited to co-design solutions with end users and stakeholders to create innovation through technology. I look forward to answering any questions you may have in the breakout session.